Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you may not know this, but about last winter, my hair was so short. I actually posted a video on how to get your hair to grow. I'll link that in the little eye up here if you're interested in checking it out because all of those tips are helpful. But since I dyed my hair purple in 2014, my hair just kept getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. And like everyone was like, it's because you're bleaching your hair, it's because you're bleaching your hair, it's because you're damaging your hair. And yes, it probably was, but there was literally one thing, like one particular thing that kept making it break off and off and off and off. Because like when I would bleach my hair, like I wouldn't bleach like the bottoms of it over and over again. I'd just be bleaching the roots, so it didn't make sense that the bottoms kept breaking off. Let me tell you, I found out what was doing it. Basically today I'm just going to be telling you guys the story of my hair and how I grew it back out from it being super short like this to now where it is, you know, it's getting, I mean, like it's not super long, but like I feel like it's almost back to like where it was when I first dyed it purple, so I'm so happy. Flashback to 2014, my hair was about this long, my hair was brown, I bleached it, I dyed it purple, but since then my hair just kept getting shorter and shorter and shorter, and like literally if you watch my videos from 2014 to like spring 2017 probably, you'll notice that my hair just keeps getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter, and honestly that's not because I cut it. Obviously I got, you know, the occasional trim, but like it wouldn't get that much shorter every time just because of me trimming it. And like everyone was just like, well, if you want your hair to grow back, you'll have to just stop dyeing your hair. And I was just like, no. I scoured the internet on like how to grow your hair. I was like eating like fish oil pills. I was like massaging my scalp. The thing was, I was using good shampoo, but I wasn't using good conditioner. I had like a really dark purple dye and I would mix it with tons of conditioner to lighten the color up like crazy. So it was more of like a pastel color. So it would take like a lot of conditioner. So like I went to my like hairdresser who is my cousin. Shout out to my cousin. If you want to follow her Instagram, it is Hair by Kristen Fraser. I'll link it in the description box below. She does my hair. I love her for it and she is highly talented. Anyways, I went to her and I was like, I don't know what's going on here. My hair keeps breaking off, like yada yada yada. And she was like, well, what shampoo are you using? And I was like, I still use the Pureology hydrating shampoo, which is good for your hair, so there was no problem there. And she was like, well, what conditioner are you using? And I was like, well, I'm using this conditioner. When I had brown hair, I'd been using this like shampoo and conditioner pairing for like years because it made my hair feel so soft and so good, and it didn't do anything to my hair when it was not dyed. Like when my hair was brown, like it was fine. Like it didn't do anything to it. It just made it really, really soft and it was fine. But I was like, yeah, I'm using this conditioner. And she was like, you probably shouldn't use that. Like try not using that for a while and then just use hydrating conditioner, because the conditioner that I was using, it had like a lot of like, it was for damage repair. I'm just gonna go ahead and say what it was because in case you guys are having the same problems, but it was actually Garnier Damage Eraser. I really, really did love the way like it made my hair feel when my hair was not dyed, but like apparently sometimes when you use damage repair shampoo too much, it adds too much protein into your hair and causes the same effects as bleaching does. And here I was like, ooh, damage repair, you know, it's good for my damaged hair. And it was just like, it was literally breaking my hair off even more. And I don't want to say anything bad about like that shampoo and conditioner because like when I had brown hair, I used it for like the longest time and it made my hair feel really soft and shiny and it was like really good. And, like I had like the shampoo, I had the conditioner, I had like the split end serum, I had the, what was it, like the hair mask. I freaking loved till I dyed my hair, and then it just made my hair get shorter and shorter and shorter. So as soon as I stopped using it, my hair like started growing, and like ever since then, like I've actually got some length in my hair, and I'm just like so happy because I thought like in order to get the length back in my hair, I was going to have to like, you know, stop dyeing it. I was scared that my hair was gonna get so short that I was gonna have like, you know, no hair left. And like I'm not against short hairstyles. Like looking back, like I don't even mind that it was short. Like I think short's really cute, but like I was just trying to grow my hair and I was just like, I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. The moral of the story is that that was literally the one thing that was like making my hair break off. I mean, obviously, you know, dyeing it is not doing anything good for it, but by changing like that shampoo and conditioner to like a hydrating one that has nothing else added, it's just like plain white, it's hydrating, it smells good, and that's it. That is what changed my whole hair life, I'm telling you right now. So just like putting that out there in case anybody is having a problem growing their hair, you should definitely check with what shampoo and conditioner you're using. With that being said, I got to the main point of this video and I think that this video is over. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and also on my vlog channel because I do have a vlog channel, so you might want to check that out. And with that being said, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.